to do is hang on to me like 10 pieces of carrot and 1,000 beans. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face. And it's a juvenile that them can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the grave. If you want watch my pretty color, just an overlay. Simple as it's supposed to be. Life can be obscene. Some people seem to think that life is just a dream. But a dream without a vision is just another scheme. You are between the lines that take you to the extreme. They think it's so easy for me, but people like to talk things that are so unreal. They like to be realistic and come off of the trees. Some can't see the vision, but some just wanna be. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face, and they think it's a juvenile that them can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the grave. If you watch me pretty colors, just an overlay. Just shoot me little and petty. People underestimate the recipe. That girl is little girl. Just come in here, have a little girl. But I'm here to tell you nothing is what it seems. Jaja is the judge of who I am to be. None of the people in this world. Nobody knows but me. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face. And they know it's a juvenile that they can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the grave. If you go watch me pretty colors, just an overlay mistake. No matter if you're brown, no matter if you're black, keep on listening before you're ready to attack. And some people think that they are better than the rest, but all this controversy is causing me distress. Cause they know not how I feel, but it's the life, it is real. Even for the best of us, they will soon get the rest of us, and so shall the truth be revealed. They know not how I feel within, and they don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face, and they think it's a juvenile that them can't interlace. They know not how I feel within, and they don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the grave. If you go watch me pretty colors, just an overlay. Let me get you repeating. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face, and think me it's a juvenile that them can't interlace. Yes, they know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the grave. If you are watch me pretty colors, just an overlay. I just feel don't know why that's why.
Hi, my name is Raquel Grant. I'm a sales representative here at Link TV. And if you're in the Spanish Town area and you would like to promote your business, please call me at 401-9741, or you can add my BlackBerry pin, which is showing on the screen.
Welcome to Princess CC Beauty Supplies and Accessories, where we have a wide range of accessories, ears, hats, cosmetics, colognes, soaps, lotions, name it, we have it. Just come on in, we do lay away on cosmetics. Come and pay down on it, and when you finish pay, you're good to go. We are located at shop number 9, Rajmaville Plaza in Portmore, and you can contact me at 892-3736.
Pure Medical Center, located at 12 Palmetto East, Passifort, across from Portmore Town Center Plaza. Call us at 988-1793 and 988-3789. So remember, Pure Medical Center, exceptional care without exception.
Hi, I'm Sonika Ellis, a marketing representative here at Link TV. If you're interested in promotion of your ad in the Portmore area, you can call us at 988-1716 or you can add me. My pin is below.
Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
That one is a galley anthem. Galley thugs them a street, you know? A specialist I represent. Whoa, oi. Hey.
Let's say love in the greetings of His name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Rastafari. My home is in the hills of behind chance. My home is in the valley where the river now flows. Oh, Mama Africa, I know for sure. Zion is right here upon earth. Run the rhythm. Jamaica right now and they really want to clean up. Yeah. You see, black people on the whole we feel live good. All these little petty differences, that's the way. Yeah, man. Africa we same way. Love is life, life is love. Give thanks for the turnout. Run a rhythm again. Aaron Rasta wants to do something up now, you know? Prepare yourself to ride.